Hello everybody, we are always in Tokyo in Sony company and we are very pleased to be with Mr. Fujita. Thank you so much for your time and for this interview. So perhaps I let you introduce yourself.
Okay, so my name is Masahiro Fujita. I'm chief researcher of the Sony Corporation. And then let me introduce myself briefly. I'm working on the IBO, original IBO project from 1994, and then make the product as the first product of the autonomous robot for the home usage. And then I worked with a kind of intelligent systems, including the machine learning, like face recognition or voice recognition. And then now we established Sony AI, which is the new entity to aiming at the kind of transform the Sony Corporation business using the AI technologies. And then the mission of our Sony AI is unleash the human imagination and the human creativity with AI.
Thank you very much. So Sony AI is independent and Sony AI is a center for different kind of projects. What kind of project?
Okay, the way Sony AI is still under the Sony Corporation. It's not the independent company yet.
Okay.
But by the way, we have the three projects. One is the game AI, so-called game AI. Second one is the sensor and sensing and images. And also third one is the gastronomy. So let me briefly introduce the game first. So game is very good test field for the AI technologies. For example, the famous one is not video game, but is the Go. So AlphaGo is the famous AI technologies to compete with the human professional Go players. And then the performance of the AI is now very advanced. So this is the kind of field. And the video game, Sony is a very good video product, PlayStation. And then we can utilize that kind of business field with the improve some the AI technologies, such as the personalization of the game difficulty or complexity corresponding to the game players, and also maybe like a company players, collaborative players in the game with the real human and the artificial intelligent human, or maybe the competitors of the human players. So those are the kind of field of the game. And then second one is image and sensing. Because game is the virtual world, but we have the very good sensor, image sensor devices. And then that is sensing the real world. So we can utilize AI technology into not only the virtual world, but also the real world, physical world. And then actually this is the kind of robotics. So we have the very good sensor, very good actuator, so that AI technology can help the human in the real world, not only the virtual world. This is the second project. And the third one is the gastronomy. Gastronomy is very important for the human life. You have to eat anyway to survive. But some advanced country, the gastronomy is a kind of entertainment at this moment. So you can enjoy eating the very delicious food, but also you can enjoy the cooking itself. It's very similar to the music industries. You can play music, you can listen to the music to enjoy your life. But the food, gastronomy is now we thought the fourth kind of entertainment field in Sony. And then the purpose of the gastronomy we using the AI is to help the chef as a creativity activities, because chef have to innovate new recipes every time. So it's very tough challenges for the creative chef, but the AI and the robotics can help those kind of activities in the futures, we believe. So this is the gastronomy project.
Thank you very much for sharing this idea of these three fields of AR. It's both gaming, sensor, and gastronomy. And what is very interesting is you have a very important insight about CSR, sustainability. Can you give some example about this reflection?
Okay, so the Sony released the Sony Group AI ethics guideline in 2018 September. So that includes 7 items of the kind of how to say it, almost Sony all Sony employee have to follow this guideline. So that is the AI must be used for the good society, and also AI must be very secure and safety. AI must be transparent. AI must be accountable, and also Sony will educate the people for the new coming AI society, so that people can use AI technology itself, or maybe people can safely develop the AI technology. So that is the Sony AI ethics guideline.
It's very interesting to know that I think you have the first company to have a so detailed chart in Japan. Very, very precise, with 7 points. Yes. And with a very good highlight about
yes.
about the sustainability.
Yes, Sony is the first company in